Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this particular video, I have explained by using the script mode of a Python programming language the concept of errors, logical errors, runtime errors, as well as syntax errors. How you are going to get those errors in a program and how to rectify them. I have given few examples by executing them. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, share this video link with your friends and family members, gain the knowledge and rule the world. Happy learning. Put the video link status in your social media. Thank you. First, we shall open the IDLE interpreter of a Python programming language. This is an interpreter. It is in case of an interactive mode. Now I will create a new file and I place this one here by adjusting the screen size. So that the output will be displayed at this side, whereas the program I will write here. So first I will write an program to find the sum of two numbers and I will write a correct program now. So first I will write a comment hash to find sum of given two numbers. Then I will use a variable a and then write equal to with one space int. Open the bracket, then I will write an prompting message by using an input function. Input within a bracket, within a double quotes, enter a first number. Double quotes close, bracket close, again close the bracket. So this one will be accepting a value from the user and that will be stored in a variable a. Then I will write b space equal to space int. So I will read another one number by using the same method, int within the bracket, input within a bracket, enter a second number. Then space, double quotes close, bracket close, again bracket close. So this is just reading two values and storing in variables a, b. So about the explanation of this input function, how it works, you can see the previous videos in my YouTube channel. Then we'll find the sum. So I will write s is equal to a plus b. To make it in a neater manner, you can give the space s equal to, that is s space equal to, then after that space a space b space, that is s space equal to space a space plus space b. Then you can display the sum by using a print function. Print within a bracket, within a double quotes, sum of double quotes close, comma a, comma again within a double quotes with one space and one space double quotes close, comma b, then comma within a double quotes leave spaces and write is, leave some space and again close the double quotes, comma yes, close the bracket. So it will display whatever the value you have given. For example 5 and 2, it will display sum of 5 and 2 is 7. Okay, so now I will save this particular program, save as. So I will give the program name as sum ab. Okay, then click on save. So now to run this particular program, click on run and run module. So you can see this side it is displaying the output which is an interactive mode, whereas this one is the script mode. So here I will write 5, enter a second number. I'll give the value as 2. So now it has to display sum of 5 and 2 is 7. So sum of 5 and 2 is 7, which is correct. So now I will make here a mistake to show you the logical error. Okay, so now instead of closing this double quotes, I won't close. Okay, so now again I will save this one and I will run it. So now you can see unterminated string literally detected at line 2, which is an compile time error, right? So close the double quotes. And even if you make a spelling mistake in typing input, okay, so save, then click on run module. So see here, it is showing name I put is not defined. Did you mean input? Right, that means what? It is an compile mistake. Okay, even if you type S or Y, it is not going to accept. Then how it has to be done? You have to go to the script mode. In that you need to change the spelling, save it, and again run. You can directly press F5. So enter the first number 5, enter the second number, for example 6. So sum of 5 and 6 is 11. This is about the compile time error. And an example for logical error. I want to find the sum. Instead of writing here plus symbol, if I write an asterisk symbol, then what happens? You get a wrong result. So this is an example of an logical error. Now you can check. So first number I will give 10 and second number I will give as 4. So here the sum of 10 and 4, the answer should be what? 14. But here the output we get is 40, because we have made a logical mistake here. I have written A asterisk B. Now I will show how to make and rectify the runtime errors. Now I will show how to rectify the runtime errors and how we get those kinds of errors. For example, I will make a little bit changes in this particular program. Instead of finding a sum, I will find the division of given two numbers. Okay, to find, instead of writing sum, here I will write to find division of given two numbers. And here I will take the same variable s itself. Just instead of writing sum here, I will write division of A and B is yes. Okay, I will save this one with the same name. Then I will run the program. Now I will enter the first number as 5 and second number as 2. Now I have given the correct value. So here the result will be correct. There will be no any mistakes and there will be no any errors. 2.5. Now again I will run the same program. This time I make a mistake, that is a runtime error. So first I will give 5 and next I will give 0. Now when I give a value as 0, then you will get a runtime error. You can check over here. So here it is showing 0 division error, that is division by 0. So these kinds of errors are called as a runtime errors. So runtime errors occurs during the execution of the program. Okay, and logical errors occur due to the mistakes which has been made in the program. For example, here instead of writing a division symbol, if I write here an asterisk symbol, then here what happens? You won't get the division. What you get? You get the multiplication of the given two numbers. So check that one, run, and I'll give the value 4 and I'll give the value 5. So now when I press enter, it is displaying division of 4 and 5 is 20, which is wrong because it is displaying product. So these kinds of errors is called as a logical errors. So logical errors means errors which is made in a formula while writing a symbol or while writing a variable names. And runtime errors is the errors which we get during the runtime. And synthetical errors or syntax errors is nothing but an errors which is made while writing the syntax of a program. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, share this video link with your friends and family members, gain the knowledge and rule the world. Happy learning.